I'm gonna go to bed. I wonder where Satin is. Mwah! Mwah! Thank you. I better head home at 12 a.m. That was a good night. I had a long talk with DJ Suki. Just trying to get my shoes off. Brush, 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 brush. Hey guys, it's me, and the toy featured in this video is the Trill Satin and Shinnille. So, Satin and Shinnille did not come in these outfits, or the shoes, or the earrings. I actually switched them because I want Satin to be all pink and I want Shinnille to be all blue. And just to give you an explainer, Satin is the pink one and Shinnille is the blue one. So yeah, this is my first like the normal size trolls, because I have like all mini ones, but these are very cute. I wanted these for a while. And I'm gonna then all the pink outfit came on Shinnille, and all the pink outfit came on all the pink outfit came on Shinnille, and all the blue outfit came on Satin. So yeah, they came with a hairbell, but it's in my room and I don't want to get it because I really don't know how to control it. So and you see this hook on the end of the brush? You get one of these little felt things. You put them in their hair and then you just hook it and then you bring it out like that. And I got it for Christmas Eve. On last weekend because it was Christmas Eve. See? Isn't she cute? You can just do it with Satin, and I'm going to do it with Satin too. They never get caught wearing the same outfits. Hey, that is true because they're always together. I love their makeup. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.